Good morning, welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Eric.Kaneshiro. This morning we're going to be showing you the Heartland Torque, which is a toy hauler up here. First thing we're going to do is we're going to walk around the outside for you. If you notice on the front of the Torque made by Heartland, this is a fiberglass cap that's put on the front. So it's not just a flat piece, this is a molded piece of fiberglass with your LED lightings in here for a nice light out the front. They do have the 7.5 gallon propane tanks because you're going to be out there for a while. You have a power tongue jack on here. Now we're going to take a quick walk around this side here. This does come with a built-in generator. It's a 4 kW generator. It's locked up. It's a 4 kW own-in generator on here. Now the nice thing about this Torque right here, it does have a slide out. So if you do want some room on it, that's why we're looking on this side. You do have lots of room on the interior. So why don't we take a look on the inside of this here too. As we walk around, you notice the fiberglass sidewall. Has a power awning on here with an LED strip lighting. So there's a nice light on the outside. You have big windows on the side, so that's lots of light in. Now the first thing you'll notice is there's lots of cargo carrying capacity here. This is a long bed out here for lots of toys, for your quads and for your bikes and everything. Up on top you do have a power bed, and that acts kind of like a bunk bed, and you do have a table that goes in the middle with your 2 couches that fold out. Along the back side, when your back goes down, you can also make that into a patio, and it has railings around it, which is really nice on the outside, and it does have a screen door that zips up there so you can leave it down and still close it up. Nice thing here is you do have a couch that pulls down and 2 chairs, so there's lots of seating areas. A lot of times in the cargo area of a toy hauler, you don't have a whole lot of seating area, but by having your 2 chairs and your couch and the slide out, you have lots of room here. Now if you notice the kitchen, there's plenty of counter space in the kitchen, and this is called a farm sink that's come out in the past couple of years. So the farm sink's really nice. The wives generally like it, really nice. You have a big area for your TV up here, so it's a nice spot so you can watch from your chairs and from your couch. Going in here, this is your bathroom here, and it is a big bathroom. So you have lots of room in your bathroom, and you can enter it from both sides. And I'll open the door on the other side here. So as you can see, you can enter from both sides here. And your doorway's in the hallway. You have a queen size walk around bed in here with lots of cabinet drawers. And that's really nice. Now the one thing that's a nice feature on here is you also have a turn on switch for your generator, but it's up above the bed. The nice thing about that is because most campgrounds have a curfew time for putting on your generators. So while you're laying in bed, if you want to start up your air conditioning or anything else, you can just reach above your bed and turn on your generator button right there, which is a nice feature to have. Now as we go back out here, along with the big refrigerator, this has lots of storage, overhead storage, as you can see. You have the upgraded appliances, the microwave, stove, and this does come with an oven also. And this has lots of underneath storage, below storage, drawers, and as well as your overhead storage bins. Now the nice thing with this is a long slide out here. The one nice feature about this slide out is it's not very deep. So if you have a razor or something like that, or a side-by-side, and you have the big paddle wheels on it, what you do is you pull your paddled wheel razor up front here, or your side-by-side, put your wheels in front of this slide out area, and you can still slide it in, so you can still fit it in. So what happens is your wheels will still be back in here, and you can still fit your side-by-side in. So a little different feature. Now you have the bigger wheels and tires on here because you will be carrying a lot more weight. This toy hauler has about a 4,500 pound carrying capacity. And this is important right here. This has power extended leveling system on here. So that's your stabilizer jacks. It's all power, so you don't have to crank it in. This has underneath storage, and that is under your bed. And a lot of your toy haulers don't have that. This torque is made by Heartland. It's made in Indiana. It's really well built. They're a little nicer inside and a little nicer outside than a lot of toy haulers you find out there. It's not just strictly a toy hauler. It's made for being comfortable and staying in a bit. So if you have any questions, please give me a call. My name is Eric.Kaneshiro, Guaranty RV, 541-912-4396. Thank you very much.